नमस्ते, हमेशा खुश रहो बेटियाओं। आई एम JVN प्रोफेसर मंजू शर्मा। प्रोग्राम नेम PA B.Ed 6M, कोर्स नेम Pedagogy of Social Sciences, सेशन नेम Social Science and Social Studies, यूनिवर्सिटी नेम ज्योति विद्यापीठ विमेंस यूनिवर्सिटी। I welcome you all in university class. I'm Professor Manju JVN, Professor Manju Sharma, discussing the topic social science and social studies. Social science and social studies can be easy to confuse. Through social, they are sounds like two similar concepts. Deal with some of the same subject matter. They are two different beliefs of study. However, there are some key differences which distinguish the two terms so that they cannot be used interchangeably. What is social science? Social science is the core difference between social science and social studies exist in their purpose. In social science, you study the society and social life of human groups, while in social study, you study both social science and humanities in order to promote effective citizenry. Social science is a subject area that studies the society and the relationship among individuals within a society. Social science is categorized into many branches such as geography, study of earth and its features, inhabitants and phenomena. Anthropology, study of humans. History, study of past. Economics, study of production, distributions and consumptions of goods and services. Political science, study of theory and practice of politics and the description and analysis of political systems and political behavior. What is social studies? Social studies can be introduced as the study of both social science and humanities. According to American National Council for the Social Studies is the integrated study of the social science and humanities to promote civic competence. However, social studies most often used as the name of the course is taught at schools. What are the difference between social studies and social sciences? The main difference between social science and social studies in their intent purpose. The social sciences are branches of study that analyze society and the social interactions of people within a society. Subjects that fall under the umbrella of social science are anthropology, history, economics, geography, and many others that explore societal relations. Social study is the systematic study of an integrated body of content drawn the from the social science and the humanities. It enables students to develop their knowledge and understandings of the diverse and dynamic nature of society. Societies and environments. Society and how interactions among cultures, societies, and environments. Social science is more streams oriented. It's the science of the society. The in-depth knowledge and systematic study of each branch of social transaction. It is empirical and based on various scientific methods of deduction to arrive at a conclusion based on facts. Social study is integrated study of the social science and humanities to promote effective citizenry. Social study are subject most frequently taught to school students to help them understand how to be effective citizen of society. Social science as the impious deals with the science of society, utilizing the gathering of data and analysis of that data, whereas social study normally deals with the observation of society. Here students developed and apply skills as they investigate society, explore issues, make decisions, and work cooperatively with others. Social science one taught under higher studies curriculum, whereas social study are subjects most frequently taught to schools-based students to help them understand how to be effective citizens of society. The core difference between social science and social study exists in their purpose. In social science, you study the society and social life of human groups, while in social science, you study both social science and humanities in order to promote effective citizenry. Social study is the study of all phases society, whereas social science is the inference of those studies with the intention of solving problems with a society, which may lead to the ultimate development of the society as a whole. Social science is the field of sciences concerned with the studies of the social life of human groups and individuals. Social study is a term used to describe the broad study of various fields which involves past and current human behavior and interactions. Another difference in that social science is divided into many branches, while social study is divided into two main categories of humanities, and social sciences dates back to the 18th century, while social study is a relative new term. The social studies and social sciences did not promote and cooperate with each other in the long run. Human being and society would fail to develop smoothly. So, social science and social studies are play very important role in their field. The session powered by digital version 2.0. Jayoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. You are satisfied with my digital session? If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.